Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can manage live and reels notification on Instagram. Maybe you want to limit those notifications but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can manage live and reels notification on your Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram and log in with your Instagram account. Once you open it, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then in here, you'll see your Instagram icon. Tap on this profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you'll be directed into your Instagram profile. And here, you'll see the three lines icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Tap on it. And then from here, select Settings and Privacy. And here you will see how you use Instagram. And then below that, you'll see here the notifications. Tap on it. And then in here, you'll see Live in Reels. To manage notification of your Live in Reels, simply tap on this Live in Reels. Once you tap on it, you'll see here the original audio, remixes, live audio, recently uploaded Reels, most watched Reels, and add yours. For example, you want to turn off these original audios, simply tap on this off button. And then in here, for example, you want to turn off remixes, simply tap on this off button. And many more. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage live in Reels notification in your Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage live in Reels notifications, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.